Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy FX Major. Today I'll be showing you guys this strategy I've been using to make profits from the boom and crash markets. Okay, so this trade now I gave this call to my VIP and we are making good profits from this trade alone. It was down here. It was down here. So I made about 100% on this account. All right, so I'm still expecting market to drop. We smashed the first TP and still expecting market to drop down to my second TP. If it gets to my second TP, we'll be doing like 4 to 5 times what I raised. Okay, so we're making like over $1,000. All right, so like I said, I have a strategy I want to give to you guys. All right, it's about boom and crash. Let me bring it up. Yeah, it's about boom and crash. We use it to to scalp boom and crash. Boom 1000, crash 1000, sorry, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500. Even the boom 600 and crash 600, you can equally use this strategy to scalp on those. So let's check like the boom 500. Boom 500. Okay. Here's boom 500. Now you need to wait for if you watch the video to the end, I will show you the settings for this strategy. All right. You have to wait for market to get to the overbought zone. Okay, overbought zone, which is this price here, which is this price right there. All right, so you can see once market touches the red zone, right, that red line, which is the 85 to 90% level, and you can see this in red and black indicator just gets to that point, and the green indicator also inside that level. All right, so that's when you look for an entry and sell. Now let me show you a very good example. Let me show you a very good example. But before you take this kind of trade, you must be sure that you are in a downtrend. If you're trading, you want to scalp boom, and if you want to scalp crash, you must be in a strong uptrend. Okay, so like for example, this is a very nice example here. You can see the indicators here. The red and black indicator has gotten to the overbought zone. All right, then the green and yellow indicator as well is inside the overbought zone, which is the 85-90% level. So once you have your price around that level, what you'll be looking for will be selling opportunity. And how do you sell? You have to wait for market to the green indicator to cross the yellow indicator downward. Once it crosses, after entering this zone, once it crosses, you'll be looking for selling opportunity right there. You start selling somewhere there, all the way down. All right, start selling somewhere there because it's be going down. Now you take just you take 5 to 10 ticks. 5 to 10 ticks. You don't take more than 5 to 10 ticks. The only way you can take more than 5 to 10 ticks is if you are a good price action trader. What I mean by ticks, now from here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These ticks, you take 10, which is 10 minutes, and you're out. Okay, but if you can take more than that, that means you know how to analyze the markets, the chart, and get good setup. So that means you know that markets will be going down, the price will be going down for a long time before you can, you could hold it for a long time. But if you're not certain, you're not a good price action trader, you don't take it. Okay, so but if you want to make more money, I think you need to have this price action knowledge. You know how to analyze the price. This might sound very hard, but it's pretty simple. Let me quickly show you guys my academy for you to see what my students are doing. They are making hundreds of dollars every blessed day. Okay, guys, this is my academy. This is my team. Here in this team, I don't need everybody. I need just few important, serious traders, people that are really disciplined, people that really want to make it in life, people that want to make a difference, like, want to grow, really want to grow. All right. So this was yesterday. Look at the money they are making. I traveled. I've not been really stable. I'll be going back today. So look at this. See the money they are making, $10 to 200. All right. So this one yesterday, yeah, $10 to 200. This was yesterday, $10 to $300. This was yesterday. It happens like that every time. $25 to this another one, $25 to 100 and something dollars. This one here, 50 to 69. So it happens like this every day. Look at this. $51 to $91. It's every day. I wasn't even on charts. They not even analyze anything yesterday, but they made so much profits. They are learning on their own. Look at this. $47 to, so I don't even need to be there. $35 to $79, $35 to $100, $35 to $100. So $35 to $140. So these guys are making good profits. I'm not even there. This is $47 to $90 something. This was still yesterday. I was not even there. $26 to $100 something. So this is today. I just gave this call. You can see we've made so much profit from it. Okay, this guy took the first trade and made some profits. So I gave a call and we've made so much already today. We've made so much already. You can see the call I gave. We made so much already. So it's real. It's very simple. If you are worried about how to make profits, this is a VIP. So it's real. I'm not scamming anybody. All right. It's real. People are making good profits here. All right. So if you're looking for a reliable place where you can be making consistent profits, good profits, either to take signals or to learn how to do this stuff by yourself on your own, I'm always there to advise, to show you, to mentor you, get you through to from scratch to the top. Okay. So yeah, that's it. So that's for boom 500. Let me quickly show you guys crash 500 or crash 1000. Let's see if it is in a down strong uptrend, then it's cool to buy. It's very wise to buy something like this. You see this, right? Do you see it? That's your entry. Your entry is right there. You wait for market to get to the oversold level, right? You make your entry. Once the green crosses the yellow indicator upward, you're making an entry and you count 5 to 10 ticks and you close out. You make your money. All right. You make your money, guys. The same thing here. Same thing right there. It's crossing right there. You 10 ticks, you're out, guys. But you must be sure that you are in a downtrend. Remember, you use it to scalp, boom, and crash. You don't use it to catch spikes for boom on boom and crash. Now, you used the 1 minute time frame, okay, and the zoom level is zoom level 1, zoom level 2 is okay, and you position your screen wherever you want. It's still fine. Look at that. 5 or 10, you're out. 5 or 10, you're out. 5 or 10, you're out. Okay, so that is how it is. That's how this stuff is, guys. That's how this stuff is, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So it's very simple to make money with this strategy. I'll show you guys the settings, okay? I'll show you guys the settings for the strategy. But if you really want to make more, you can stay on the 30 minutes time frame to understand the trend. Now, all right, so now let's say we are trading crash 500. So this crash 500, you want to buy crash 500. So what you have to do, you need to look for places market has been reversing before, like something like this. You have something like this. You see something like this, yeah. You have something like this. So in situations like this, when markets gets to this point, when the indicator gets to this level like this, and you have this trend line, that means you'll be looking for buying opportunity once the green indicator crosses the yellow indicator on the 1 minute time frame. You're looking for buying opportunity. You're looking for buying opportunity. You're looking for buying opportunity. So that's it. It makes the work pretty easy for you. So you need to have a bit of price action knowledge. If you have price action, sometimes you might not even rely on the indicator at all. So that's simple. Let me quickly show you guys the settings for this indicator. Settings for this indicator. Settings for this indicator. So yeah, see places like this. These are places that market has been reversing before. You can see market reversed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So if market gets to a price like that, you see, and it gives you that entry on the 1 minute time frame, you see the reversal. All right, you see the crossing, the green cross yielding upward. You buy from that price because it's buying from a key level. You buy, you buy, you buy. So that's how to make the money. Look at this one again. You buy somewhere here too. So that's how to make money with combined indicator to have more winning rates, unlike people that does not even know at all. That's why you see sometimes somebody will drop an indicator, might drop an indicator and tell you I'm making good profits with this indicator, and you find it funny, like how is it possible? It's because I might understand a bit of price action and I apply the price action to make more from the market. Well, this was a good catch. My guys caught this yesterday. So let me show you guys the settings. So if you want to get the settings in the indicators, you come here up there, that F icon, you click on it. You click on it. The first indicator you're bringing in to create the indicator window is the RSI, Relative Strength Index. You click on it, you add it. The period is 8, applied to median price. Levels here, you have, those are the levels you can screenshot. You have level 90, 50, 85, 10, and 15. You can use any color. You can use red. I'm using red color. You click on done. Then you come here under style. Style should be white because I don't want it to be obvious, like to be seen on the chart. You click on done. You've created the indicator window. Now you go back again to that same place up there. Up here, you click on that indicator. You're bringing in the second indicator, which is Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. Bro, that stuff is long. So Tenkan Sen is 7, Kenjun Sen is 6, Senkun Span B is 62. All right, you feel this place. And the up Kumu is black, down Kumu, sorry, the Tenkan Sen is black, Kenjun Sen is red. So from Chikun Span down is white. If you're using white MT5 background, you're using white, okay? So you click on done. That's it. Then you go back again to add the another indicator. The next indicator you're adding is moving average. The first moving average is period 30, shift is 1, method is muted, applied to typical price. You can see the column using lemon or green. You click on done. All right, you go back again. You click on moving average. So you add your moving average. All right, the period is 60, shift is 1, method is smoothed, applied to typical price. You can see the color is yellow. You click on done. So that's your indicator, guys. That's your indicator. Remember, you wait for your 1 minute time frame. If price gets to the oversold zone, you can see some here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You can see this place now. That's the line up place on the 30 minutes time frame. Market just drop into this level, and you wait patiently to see the cross. Once it crosses, shows that it's about to buy. You can see the cross right there. You buy. That's how to make money with indicator. Don't just trade indicator blindly. That's how to make money with indicator. All right. Yeah. So that's how it is. That's how the thing is. Look at this again. Might just drop into the line I placed on the 30 minutes time frame and take a look at what we have inside here on the indicator window. We have this at the oversold and this at the oversold, and the green crosses yellow upward. Crosses yellow upward, you're buying, you make profits. Let's see if we get another level like that. Of course, look at that, very close to the line, and you have the cross. Remember, when we have a line like that, we have a cross here. When market gets to a point like this, even if it does not touch this line, as long as it's pretty close to the line, this is an area on the chart. This is a very delicate area. It might react any place around this line. So saying this, crossing, you're buying from there, you make your money. Let's look again. That's another one right there. We have the touch there on that level. You see now, this is the red indicator at the oversold, and green crosses the yellow, you're buying, you make your money. So that's it. Every time market gets to that point, the same thing here. So that it does not look as if I'm just lying, guys. Look at that, touches that line and it crosses, you're making your money. The same thing here on the main chart. You see, pretty easy. So that's it, guys. That's all for now. We'll see in the next video. Check the description box to join my free Telegram channel. And if you want to learn how to analyze like a pro, chat me up. All right, check the description box. The academy opens. We're starting May batch on the 10th of this month. This is like 4 days from now. All right, so if you want to learn, you can join. I have discount that is running right now, so you can benefit from it. You want VIP signals, you can also chat me up. The discount is running right now. Success, guys.